Indika is in the waiting room. I will admit him, and we need one more member. And Stephanie.
I think Stephanie's there. Stephanie
Okay,
Fernando.
Yes, yes. Okay, so I hope all are in. I will now read out the third debate team members' names. The order of the debaters are as follows. Proposition team, Team Colombo South. The first speaker, Rashmi Piris. The second speaker, Olga Kulatilaka. The third speaker, Hashini De Silva. The fourth speaker, Induvara Theodore. And Induvara will be doing the summary speech. And the reserve, Ushani George. The Colombo outer team, the opposition team. Speaker number 1, Indika Kumara. Speaker number 2, Dumali Dodavatta. Speaker number 3, and Stephanie Fernando. Speaker number 4, Divya Muralidharan. And Indika Kumara will be summarizing the speech. Let us begin from the first speaker of the proposing team. Induvara Theodore. Zoom master, can you pin Induvara Theodore?
Sorry, ma'am, it should be Rashmi.
It's Rashmi. We have already pinned her.
Zoom master, can you pin Rashmi?
Already pinned, yes.
Rashmi, can you see the shared screen?
Yes. Yes, madam.
Yes, now you are audible and visible to us. The speaker, you may start now.
Good afternoon, dear all. We are Colombo South area. Our panel consists of 4 members. First speaker Rashmi, as second speaker Olga, third speaker Hashini, and fourth speaker Induvara. Okay. I will first introduce what social media is. Social media are interactive technologies that allow the creation of sharing of information, ideas, interests, and other forms of expression via virtual communities and networks. While challenges to the beneficiation of social media arise due to the broad variety of stand alone and building social media services currently available. There are some common features of social media. Okay. First one is social media are interactive web internet based application. For an example, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Second features, user generated content such as text, post or comments, digital photos or videos and data generated to all online interaction is the blood of social media. Third features is user create service. Specific professional for the website or app that are designed and maintained by the social media organization. Fourth one is social media helps the development of online social networks and connecting a using profile with those other individuals or groups. Thank you.
Thank you. And let's have 30 seconds for the judges. Timer, please indicate after 30 seconds. Thank you. Next, the first speaker from the opposing team, Indika Kumara. Zoom master, can you pin Indika? Indika, can you repeat your name, please? Indika, I think you are muted. You will have to on your microphone. Okay, now it's good. Can you repeat your name, please, Indika?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Chaturika, just a small thing. Now, one of our judges have been disconnected right now. If Zoom master can accept the judge, that would be great before commencing the next one.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we'll do that. Meantime, Indika, can you see the shared screen?
I accepted the judge, so I think the judge is in the process of joining. Hold on. Yeah, judge is in the room. You can proceed. The second speaker, the first speaker of the opposition.
Yes, the next one. First speaker from the opposition team, Indika Kumara. Indika, is the shared screen visible to you?
Can't Chaturika that.
And Asia Debater 2021 screen?
Not it. Can't
if you
see
can
actually.
Swipe here and there and see whether it is visible to you. Swipe your screen and see whether the shared screen is visible for you.
Yeah, Pan-Asia Debater 2021.
Right. Yes, yeah. That will be the timing card displaying to you, Indika.
Yeah.
Okay. We have pinned the Indika, his account. Okay. Speaker, Indika, you may start now.
Okay. Good afternoon, honorable judges, team HR, fellow members in proposition, team and my dear friends. It's a pleasure me to have an opportunity to debate on social media is not a helpful tool for the development of society as per opposition. Although they said that social media is a helpful tool for development of the society, I never agreed to same. Why I say so? Here are my arguments. Even though the social media is helping in such ways, it is doing great harm to the society in innocent way, likening it's oversue to an addiction. Some contest it contributes to inattentiveness, stress, and jealousy. The National Center for Biotechnology Information reveals that heavy social media used to depression, anxiety, loneliness, self-harm, and even suicidal thoughts. That is very harmful for the society. If we see the news channel, we can see these repercussions. Further, social media may promote negative experiences such as inadequacy about your life or appearance. Social media presents as the standard that not realistic, reliable that unreliable, not only that, social media is giving massive following the people who are popular rather than people who are professional. In summary, my message is simple. That is, we need not to condemn social media, but we should aware that social media corrupt our interaction. We should not stop talking, and we should start talking.
Thank you. Let us have 30 seconds. Let us have 30 seconds for the judges. Timer, please indicate after 30 seconds. Thank you very much. Second speaker from the proposing team, Olga Kulatilaka. Zoom master, please pin Olga. Olga, can you repeat your name?
Hello.
Yes, Olga.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you? Yes, we can't see you yet. Zoom master, can you pin Olga?
Done.
Done. Olga, can you see the shared screen?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay.
Yes, the screen, ma'am.
Okay. We can't see you. I think it is the back side of the camera. I think you will have to turn on the front camera. Okay, Olga, I think, yes, you are audible and visible now. Speaker, you may start now.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Let me begin saying that the motion social media is often condemned, but let me give you some positive impacts of social media. So social media is such a massive part of our life that it can no longer be separated or ignored. So social media makes it easier to find friends. So just a few decades ago, it was pretty tough to find, it was pretty tough to connect with people, and the rise of smartphones helps to change this course. So as a best example for this, the experience that we are having get together for a Pan Asia Bank debating contest via Zoom is the best example for finding friends via social media. So see, some of the people we never met, but still we are connected. So as a second point, social media fosters empathy. So as an example, Facebook, the point is that all of us are sharing our experiences, both good and bad, via social media. We are able to empathize with each other. So social media allows speedy communication. So as you all are aware, our time is being stretched thinner and thinner by work and family commitments. But social networking sites offer a chance to communicate in speedy and efficient manner. So wherever you are, you can make time for each other. So social media also, it makes the world seem smaller. So it isn't just your inner circle of close friends or even your closer family members that social networking sites allow you to communicate. And the positive thing, one of the positive things in social media is its power to open world up to you. So social media, it helps build relationships. Like people are moving on to better relationships, keep connected with each other in the middle of busiest schedules in everyone's life. So I think at the end, we all are one family because of social media, and it helps to develop society mentally and physically with its positive impacts. Thank you.
Thank you. Let us have 30 seconds for the judges. Timer, please indicate after 30 seconds. Next up, the second speaker from the opposing team, Dumali Dodawatta. Zoom master, kindly pin Dumali.
Yeah.
Yes,
Dumali. Yes, Dumali,
yes.
can you? Can't see you yet. Dumali, can you repeat your name?
Yeah, Dumali Dodawatta. I'm here, Chatu.
Okay. Can you see the shared screen, Dumali?
Yes, Chatu.
Okay, thank you. Speaker, you may start now.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dumali from Karamba Outer Team. Social media is a helpful tool in many ways, like communicating, gathering information, and marketing. But the value of the social media is depend on the way we use it. It creates the lack of emotional connections, decrease face-to-face communication skills, even among two people who sit 2 feet apart. Not even looking at each other's and not communicating with each other's, and sometimes doesn't even know who is next to him or her, since they are using their mobile phones or whatever the instrument they have there in their hands. As well, it diminishes understanding and thoughtfulness. Since the inception of social networking, the quality of conversation has dropped. I believe that the people spend so much time online that they don't always understand the feelings, emotions, and characters of the person they are talking to. Like when they communicate with someone through a message or even a voice, you can't always understand them. Social media has ruined thoughtfulness in basically saying hello in person. And one more thing I want to highlight is that the social media has influenced youth in negative ways. Kids might be affected and manipulated by some sites in which there is inappropriate information. The ugly part of social media is that there are a lot of unnecessary information shared by people, and also bullying and harassment on social media has been increased. Therefore, I truly believe that the influence in social media is affects badly than the good ways. Thank you.
Thank you. Let us have 30 seconds for the judges. Timer, please indicate after 30 seconds. Thank you. Next in line, third speaker from the proposing team, Hashini De Silva. Hashini, can you repeat your name, please?
Hashini De Silva.
Okay. Can you see the shared screen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Speaker Hashini, please start now.
Good afternoon to you all. As my team member Olga explained about the benefits of social media, and I'll continue it. As my first point, social media networks helps a lot of showcase talent. As example, I'll get Yohani De Silva. She is the Sri Lankan singer We all know she became famous not only in Sri Lanka, but also in other countries as well, because of the so-called social media network. Another thing I'll consider, social media has become one of the major main income generator, especially during the pandemic situation that we all face as one. In the face of the disaster, all business lost in the opportunity to do the business. But this is online system helped business to meet the needs of their customers. As a bank, we were done our business through online system during the pandemic. My personal experience, we done made mine account campaigns, phoning campaigns, FB campaigns through WhatsApp and Facebook also. And during the pandemic situation, all school closed, but Zoom technology did not disrupt children's education. And my last point is video game system. Video games are not typical played by healthy, educated, and socially active individuals. The main thing is it's improving the thinking fast. Some improved gamers, main income source also the video game. Therefore, I tell the social media is very benefited to the society and the future also. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's have 30 seconds for the judges. Timer, please indicate after 30 seconds. Thank you. Next in line, third speaker from the opposing team, Stephanie Fernando. Stephanie, can you read out your name, please? Repeat your name.
Yeah, I'm Stephanie Fernando. Can you hear me?
Yes. Can you see the shared screen?
Yes.
Okay. Speaker Stephanie.
Yes.
You may start now.
Okay, thank you so much for the opportunity. As much as social is not a great social network tool, its evils in society cannot be overlooked. Adolescents and teenagers especially are susceptible to potential harm posed by social media usage. If not recognized on time and handle these negative impacts of social media can be risky to the healthy and social well-being of your adolescent children. The negative effects of social media on teens, or as the negative impacts of social media on youth can be pointed out. So here, mainly I'm going to talk about 4 main things. So first one is Facebook depression. So Facebook depression is an emotional disturbance associated with the social media usage. When a teenager is made to feel inferior to their social media counterparts, they often fall into a depression commonly referred to as a Facebook depression. So the need to stand out, fit in, or be accepted by their Facebook friends drives teenagers toward this form of emotional disturbance. So the second thing is cyber stalking. So nowadays, cyber stalking has become a major issue because, as you all know, smartphone on youth can be seen today. So if you're always sharing your locations, then social media friends know where you are. So the teenagers are used to updating their status and share what they are watching, listening, reading, and where they check in. So these habits become an addiction and makes them hyperactive because they always look for new updates for their friends. So they check every notifications and alert to respond because they believe responding on time is necessary. So teenagers find new friends on social media and never take a rest. So such connections are virtual but can produce anxiety and cause depressions as well. The third point is suicide and self-harm content. Social media are not only addictive but can also lead to a suicide and self-harm. Teenagers on the internet can be anything to receive attention. When you see someone is getting attention by doing self-harm activity, they copycat without even a second thought. So mostly they do it to show their bravery or because of poor mental health. When they start sharing suicide methods and encourage others to engage in suicidal behaviors, the situation worsens. So I think my argument is very clear. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Let's have 30 seconds for the judges to fill ballots. And the timer, please indicate after 30 seconds. Thank you. Fourth speaker from the proposing team, Induvara Theodore. Zoom master, can you pin Induvara?
Done.
Induvara, yes, Induvara, can you repeat your name?
This is Induvara from Colombo South area.
Induvara, can you see the shared screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Speaker Induvara, you may start now.
Good afternoon, everyone. As mentioned by our proposition first speaker and the second plus the third speaker, I would like to mention that they overall only spoke about the addiction and stress of people who are engaged in social media. But I would like to clarify it like this. Through social media, as our opposition team, my colleague Olga and Hashini said, this social media platform is a very good stage for most of the people to get contract with the people around them. Likewise, as Hashini said, it will help people know who this person is regarding about their talent and many more. And also the first speaker of the proposition team, Mr. Indika, mentioned that he never agreed to social media. I would like to ask him whether he obviously like he knows obviously that we are already using social media right now, even to keep process this debate. So how can we even live a life without social media? Today, I know like not even the proposition team, also the opposition team, we all know that we all have accounts in our social medias. We all of us like sharing our details with our colleagues and see how they react to our comments. I mean, like to our photos and all. We share stuff and we keep updated. Likewise, also we see nowadays in a very good example is the Facebook. Like we see nowadays that most of the people, like in their old ages, like the people who schooled in 80s and 70s, even 60s, they have their own groups on Facebook. Like they connect each other even from other countries. So like even when we come to the growth of the businesses, like we'll take our own bank. We like the rising FDs and other products, we did advertise them at social media, and we got really good very good samples on them. Like we got accounts and businesses done well, and so on to the economy as well. This creates more job opportunities as well. So I would end my conversation here. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Let's have 30 seconds for the judges. Timer, please indicate after 30 seconds. Fourth speaker from the opposing team, Divya Muralitharan. Divya, can you repeat your name, please?
Yes, I'm Divya.
Can you see the shared screen? Can you see the shared screen, Divya?
No, no.
Just wipe and see whether, wipe the screen and see whether.
No, Chatrika, not yet.
Divya, if you can swipe the screen, because it will be not in the particular screen full of that you see. If you can just swipe it across, you will see multiple screens, and then in one screen you will see this shared screen.
Divya, is it visible to you now?
No, Stephanie, it should, sorry, no, Chatrika, it should be
the Debater, Pan-Asia Debater 2021 screen.
All right, okay.
That's the timing card, so it will roll in when you start speaking. Okay. Speaker Divya, you may start now.
Good afternoon. I'm grateful for the opportunity given to speak on social media is not a helpful tool for development of society. As a speaker too in the opposition team spoke about Zoom meeting. Right now we are having Zoom sessions, but I would say this is something the social. There is no facial gesture, body language, lack of expression in this online debate team. So this itself a drawback in social media. And also speaker 3 spoke about Yohani De Silva's song, but in our society, everyone does not get a chance to come up in social media and show up their talents. So everyone is not getting a chance to come into social media and show their talents, which is again another negative impact. And also about schools. Nowadays, we have online Zoom classes, WhatsApp classes for primary and secondary education. However, not only education does not mean, about tutorials or books. It's about value, respect, behavior, manners, personality development. So these are missing in social media. And also, I would say simply the personal bonding is definitely missing in social media. And also about banking. Yes, we do advertise in social media about our products, but however, the service retain the customer, the physical, if the person is in the branch, in the physical appearance satisfy the customer and the service satisfy the customer. Therefore, I would say, I would like to conclude with a note saying that as Albert Einstein said, I fear the day technology will surpass human interaction. The world will have full of idiots. Thank you.
Let's have 30 seconds for the judges. Timer, please indicate after 30 seconds. Thank you. Next up, summary speaker of the opposing team, Indika Kumara. Indika, can you repeat your name, please, and on your camera? Indika, are you there?
Yes.
Can you on your camera, please?
Yes.
Yes, now you are visible to us and audible too. Can you see the shared screen? The Pan Asia Debater screen?
Yes.
Yes, that will be okay. Speaker Indika, you may start the speech now.
Okay, thank you. Our conclusion is social media is not helpful for the development of society based on the following facts. One is social media may promote negative experience such as inadequacy about your life or appearance. That means it is very harmful for the people. Their attitude is mostly biased on their individual aspects, right? Other thing, we can learn a person from looking through our eyes, rather than looking his or her profile through Facebook, Instagram, or and etc. Most of the studies have been proved that most of the negative impact to the society has been affected through social media, and multiple studies have found a strong link between heavy social media and increased risk for depression, anxiety, loneliness, self-harm, and even suicidal thoughts. Other thing, opinions are very biased to his or her attitude, political version, and mostly based on his or her personal agenda. Today we can see a lot of people without common sense, which lead to actually severe tarnish to the society. It has removed a relationship of people who are nearby us, and we don't feel their pain. Actually, we don't see, and even we couldn't see throughout our lifetime. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Let's have 30 seconds for the judges. Timer, please indicate after 30 seconds. Thank you. Next in line, the summary speaker of the proposing team, Induvara Theodore. Induvara, you are there. Okay. Can you see the shared screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Induvara, you may start now.
Thank you, Ms. Chaudhary. As we all know, there is a huge increase in the social media users during the COVID-19 pandemic situation in the country. So if we take the statistics reports of 2020 and 2021, the social media users have increased from 1.5 million. So this is not a small amount that we have come upon. So like, as everyone said, we should all agree that we had to teach our own children to how to use the social media, like how to use Zoom and other activities. Like the new generation is already born with new technology. So we can't be in past and say like the social media is corrupting the society, so and so. But if there is a corruption issue, there should be like, by time actually in social media industry that is happening, like with time everything has drawbacks in it, but with time it drastically comes to the positive side, neglect, like overcoming the challenges. So actually with the speech from Mr. Indika, there is always an 80% 20% theory in this economy. Like in everything there is 80% correct and 20% wrong. There is always drawbacks in everything. So even when you look into that 80% is how the social media help the society for its development. So from that also we can confirm that social media is definitely helpful to the society. Plus we can tell that our third speaker from the opposition team mentioned that social media does not allow the society to express their, I mean like doesn't give a chance to express their selves in the, like they don't have a chance, like only Yohani get the chance and others doesn't. But the social media actually helps the society to increase the visibility and see how the world runs in an economy and the whole the society, and it actually helps the society and the development of society, as our school children use social media to do their studies, even though picketings will help with the teacher.
Let's now give 1 minute for judges to complete their ballot sheets. Timers, please indicate when 1 minute have lapsed. Thank you. That's the end of the third debate of the day. Fantastic job, everyone, both teams. The judges will select the best 2 teams at the end of all the debates, and HR will communicate to you via email. Thank you again, and the 2 team members may